That's not a cruise bike.
Clearing tears in your eyes at every step of our goodbyes. Pink pearls and a ruffled worn sweater, you left them behind like a love letter.
Hello, bike loving internet. Welcome to my channel.
I can make a sentence and nothing makes sense. We had our moments, I relive now. Again and
I have an appointment in Arnhem, so I'm going on my old bike, the Natra Gaucho. Last week I rode this bike for a short ride. It's interesting how it's compared to the cruise bike. Let's talk about that and my plans for the future. I also made this video because I have a new extra camera. It's the Insta360 Go 3 to complement the Insta360 RS. It seemed to me that this was a better option than a 360-degree module. So, in the scenes where you don't see metrics, the Go is used. I hope you enjoy the ride. I'm sure I will. I have the parts of the cruise in-house. Sending from America is not cheap. The chainstay is $207. Postage cost is 47 euro. Customs clearance 30 euro. And I had to pay UPS another 87 euro. That is 371 euro. In America the prices are without taxes. So it would be in the Netherlands 270 euro. Still, a lot of money. I'm going to repair the cruise this week. Maybe I also need a derailleur, 51 euro. But the biggest repair will be my trust in this bike. Also, the fun is lost with this bike. So, goedemorgen. I know, not healthy. Bite me. I am planning to buy a new bike next year. My shortlist is in random order. 1. Acer. I'll get one at a German or Belgian retailer. 2. A Velotechniek Street Machine GTE. 3. A cruise bike S40. 4. A cruise bike Q45. 5. A not recumbent gravel bike built by myself. Probably it will be another cruise bike, which I order from America and assemble it myself. At least I have seen the assembly instructions.
Ça pique rien qu'on peine. Mais si on pousse un peu de vague, s'asseoir dans une souche, on est vraiment toute seule et ivrée dans la forêt. Ça pique rien qu'on peine. Mais si on pousse un peu de vague et s'asseoir dans une souche, on est...
Because I have had a very rough month, I changed the music. Next time it will probably be blues again. Thanks for watching. Bye.